Greetings from the Amalfi Coast. I am currently in the town of Ravello? Yeah, Ravello. And I am at one of the most beautiful parts of Italy. The Amalfi Coast is famous for its lemons and its stunning coastline that you can actually see really well from the road. The buses are a great way to get some great shots. Today, however, I'm just kind of exploring on foot, and I am currently in a really special villa. Now, this villa is actually used for concerts, which sadly I won't get to see because the next one is on Saturday, and that's when I have to leave. But if you ever can make it here, I highly suggest it. They have a school of music that does a lot of contemporary as well as classical concerts. So, you know, if you're ever here, I recommend checking it out. However, for people like me who won't have time to go and check out a whole concert, these are the gardens on the terrace of the villa, and they're quite beautiful. Got lots of pansies in this particular part, and what makes this place so special is just the view. That turquoise water, that's unique to this area. It's really, really gorgeous. It's a little cloudy today, so I don't think I'll go swimming, but normally it's one of the great things you can do when you're in the Amalfi Coast. So, hope you enjoyed this